Alrighty guys, so I am now leaving the gym. I'm outside. I am out of town visiting family this week on vacation. And the great thing is, where I'm from, the gym is only $5 a day if you don't have a membership. So I just got done doing week 3, day 30 of Couch to 5K. Really excited about that. I noticed that working out on a treadmill, running on a treadmill, is a lot easier than running around in your neighborhood on the sidewalk and the asphalt. I did all the intervals. I had no problem whatsoever. I was so proud of myself because I didn't struggle at all. It was, great. It was just awesomeness. I will be starting week 4. Tomorrow's rest day, so then week 4 would be Friday. So I'm looking forward to doing that. I will be leaving Friday, so I'm going to get up early Friday morning and run over here to the gym before I actually leave to head home. But I'm really excited. I just want to share this with you guys, and I will talk to you later.